In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different tips to help you generate leads for your online business. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different tips that'll help you generate more leads for your online business. Now, if you have an online business or even a physical business and you're having trouble getting people interested in your product, your service, or your business, then this video is going to help you out. Now, I just want to start off this video by first explaining what a lead is. So basically, a lead is somebody who is showing some type of interest in your business, your product, your service, or your brand. And they usually give you their contact information so you can follow up with them. So usually people who are interested in your business, they give you their phone number if it's a physical business, or their email if it's an online business. Sometimes even both. Now, before I go into these tips about how to generate more leads for your online business, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So the first thing when it comes to generating more leads for your business is you have to ask yourself a question. Who is your target audience? Are you targeting men? Are you targeting women? Are you targeting old people, young people, married couples, people who are single, people who are gamers? You just have to figure out who your target audience is when it comes to your specific business. And once you figure out who your target audience is, you have to find out what type of problem that they're dealing with. Because that's what the whole purpose of your business should be doing, is solving problems for people who are in your area or in your industry. So once you find just one problem that they're dealing with, you should be providing a solution for that problem. So let's just say, for example, that you're in the dating and relationship industry. So you might be helping guys who might have trouble dating, might have trouble meeting women. You might be selling an online course or maybe just providing one-on-one phone coaching. So what you can do is just figure out one problem that they're having. So a lot of guys might have trouble approaching women because they might be too nervous, they don't have the confidence. So what you can do is create a video which can show you maybe a few different body languages that presents more confidence, so they have a less likely chance of being rejected when they approach a woman. Now, whenever somebody who's in your target audience sees this, they know that this is something that they're having trouble with. They're going to want to get access to that video. So what you can do is just give them access in exchange for their email address. So whenever somebody gives you their email, you just generated a lead. So you know that they're struggling with approaching women, they might lack confidence. So what you can also do is just promote your online course to them, or just give them access to one-on-one phone coaching with you through Skype calls, because you know that they have some type of struggle when it comes to dating. And this is a great way to get high quality leads for your online business. But there's plenty of different ways that you can generate leads. I mean, the best way that I would recommend is just giving away something for free that's going to be valuable to the people who are in your target audience. So it doesn't have to just be a free video that they can watch. It can be like a free report, maybe an ebook. It can be a free trial if you're providing services. You can give somebody maybe like a 2-week free trial or a 30-day free trial just to try out your service and just see how they like it. And if they want to continue with it, then you can just bill them for like a monthly membership. Another way to generate leads for your online business is just to give people access to like a special group, like let's say on Facebook, that has to relate to your business. So if somebody gives you their email, you can make them part of a small community of other people who are struggling with relationships or dating, and they can kind of help each other out, give each other advice, and it kind of builds like a small community together. But these are just a few examples of different ideas or free offers that you can create to generate leads for your online business. Another great one is to give people like a discount if they enter in their email. So if you have like an e-commerce store, you can give people like a 15% discount on whatever they buy once they enter in their email. So once they enter in their email, you're going to send that promo code straight to their inbox. Now they're going to be added onto your list, and you can market your e-commerce products to them in the future whenever you get new stuff or you have new sales going on. But the key to generating leads for your business is to create something of value that's related to your product or your service. And you're going to be giving this away for free to somebody in exchange for their email. Now, once again, the best way to figure out what's valuable to your specific business or to your target audience is to just find one problem that they're dealing with and just provide a solution to it. Maybe you might be in the make money online industry, and people who are interested in that industry, they might be struggling to find out what's the best way to make money online, or how can they make money with affiliate marketing. So what you can do is provide like a free report, maybe share the top 5 secrets of affiliate marketing that most people don't know, or top 3 mistakes to avoid when getting started with affiliate marketing. So people who are interested with getting started with affiliate marketing, they're going to be interested in that free report. So they're going to have to give you their email in exchange for that, and you're going to generate leads from that. Now, what I forgot to mention is the importance of generating leads for your business, because generating leads on a daily basis is going to be essential to growing your business, whatever business that you're in. Generating leads is like the lifeblood of your business, because if you don't have leads coming in, ultimately you're going to struggle to make sales and just make money with your business. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Hopefully it was valuable, and hopefully you guys learned something from it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you're interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.